If you like gardening, we have here is a pair of gardening tool shears, pair of snips from the company SVETTARO. This is made of aluminum alloy with an imitation wood look. A nice close-up shot, the color of wood, walnut, with the tin snips and a releasing mechanism with a safety release button that slides down to open up and locks into place. The opening is about 1.25 inches or more. The backing, the blade. Trimming is simple as grabbing the branches and cutting. It's very easy to close on minimum size diameters and to trim. A close-up shot of trimming. Just simply trim the areas that you need to. For your gardening needs. The pruners are made of Japanese alloyed metal. They are rust resistant. They are perfect for shaping your gardening needs, cutting shrubs, bushes, and more. It has a nice grip, a nice weight, a nice color. I hope you enjoy your pruner shears. From the company SVETTARO. It is a shears for your gardening needs. Thank you for viewing.